push that showed up a lot better. I got this Bluetooth, I keep saying Bluetooth, it's a CAN bus gauge. It works with the Adaptronic. Talks via CAN protocol and reports all sorts of parameters, more than I could ever freaking dream of having on a gauge. I got it strictly for the wideband. The Adaptronic has an internal lambda, and I love internal lambda because you're not worried about setting a timer and hoping that the O2 sensor becomes active in time before the closed loop control kicks in. And some systems you got to put a really long timer on it, and then you're stuck with the car running open loop for a long time. But with this one, as soon as the sensor is ready, it goes closed loop automatically. But the downside of that is I had no AFR display because it was internal to the system itself. So I bought the CAN bus gauge here, the CAN gauge, and it's freaking awesome. Like, there's 12 screens you can go through, and you can set all sorts of things on each screen. You can go into one screen and change it, the menu that you can't see because of the darn scrolly effect. Anyways, it's really awesome. But that's all a side note to the fact that I finally got my car back on the road again. I'm super happy. It's been 3 years that she's been down, and I put a new carpet kit in it, and then I got the GetaDom red stitched park and brake handle here, and of course I got the seats that I've had for a while. I got a nice GetaDom wheel red stitched, and I just cleaned up the whole interior a bunch. The exterior is still really bad. I got caught in a hailstorm in Ohio. Let's see if you can see it in the light here. And I see some of the dimples on the roof. Not very happy with that. And then I got the QP rust, or quarter panel rust coming through. I say a little bit, it's actually a lot. That sucks. And then the paint's coming off my Aero mud guards. And you know, a few things like that. But I bought a wide body kit for it. I bought the 6 Overcrest wide body kit, and I will be obviously fixing all of that when I paint the whole darn thing. Hey, you can't see my license plate number. And I hate people that cover that shit up like you're gonna do something about it. Let me show you what I've done. Super excited about this. This is really cool. You may have seen the pictures on Instagram or Facebook or anything. This plate here. Start off with a piece of cardboard, cut that sucker out to shape, and then once I verified that it fit properly, got a piece of aluminum, bent it on a brake, added a rib here on the side to reinforce it, make it stiffer. Add that bend, make it stiffer, but also help clear the accessory or the wiring, and really just to hide the ugliest part of the engine bay, which is over there. Oh, I need to get that bracket. That's loose. I need that bracket right there. Got a regulator and filter by 4 Innovations. I really like their stuff. I got the that's EMAP exhaust manifold pressure. That runs down the stainless line all the way to the header. You can see down there. EFR 7670. Garris made me this nice expansion tank. Contour fit to the bottom. It's really nice. It's also really hot. I got a scar on my arm from when I touched it the other day. There it is. So watch out for that. I still need to fix this hose. I want this to be a hard line through here, make it look nicer. And yeah, it's just really awesome. With AC working, you hear the compressor kicking on and off. Shut that. I'm gonna add a heat shield for the turbo to the to that plate. And heat shield to the turbo to the plate, and then a chimney coming down from the scoop to help direct heat out of it as well. anyways, it's just a video showing an update of my car. I'm super excited. Wah! And I dropped my phone. I'm super excited to be out of school. A lot of you know, and many of you don't, that in addition to designing car parts and tuning and trying to help with tier 1 when I can, and mentoring, I also go to college, and I have been taking 18 credits and working on 4 different degrees, just associates, nothing too crazy. And I finished one, and I'm 1 semester from physics, 1 class actually from physics. I'm 1 semester from mechanical engineering technologies, and I'm another class from mathematics. And so I'll have those finished up, and I already finished up education. And actually the college has asked me to come teach. They want me to teach at the technical center, where they do a lot of the hands-on stuff, like the automotive classes, the mechatronics, the CAD tech programs, the machining programs, that kind of stuff. And I've been helping several instructors at the college restructure their classes, adding electrical theory to a lot of the courses that need it, working on the tool, precision measuring classes, how to use tools and that kind of stuff. So it was an honor for them to ask me to come actually do it and get compensated for it instead of doing it for free. I don't know if I will though. It's it's teaching in the U.S. It's not the best paying job. And not that I would do it only for the money, but it isn't very good money. That's one thing I wish our country did. I wish we paid our teachers more. Educating our youth should be a priority, and I don't feel that it is. Hell, even educating our adults should be a priority, and I don't feel that it is. It's not a very well-paying gig, and in the U.S. it's pretty low-paying compared to other countries. So, but aside from that, not that I would do it just for the money, but I have other things that I am doing. Yeah, I'm trying to work with other companies, trying to bring more thermoplastics to the automotive and structural, instead of everything being aluminum or steel, thermoplastics and structural forms and things like that. So I've been super busy. The last semester just finished. I got a 4.0, yay, and now it's back to work on all the other projects. I had 3 broken cars. I had 3 with the AC that didn't work. I have 2 with suspension issues. I had 1 with bald tires. The last week since school got out, I have been just busting my hump trying to get all these projects finished. So I apologize for lack of videos, but I'm about to put this car on the dyno, have a little fun with that. I'll get some videos of that. And the Corvette build is starting very soon. For those that know about the Corvette build, it is pretty ridiculous, and it should be a good time, and I'll be cataloging that. So thank you for sitting around and looking at the pictures of my car, or video of my car, and hope you guys all have a wonderful day. I'm super excited for what the summer is going to bring. I also got a few trips that are planned, so it's going to be a good time. But thanks again. Appreciate you guys. Have a good one.